Hi friends, welcome to Krishang Talks. How are you all doing friends? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we're going to talk about carbon. So carbon is an element in the periodic table which has atomic number 6 and mass number 16. That means it has 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So it is basically a non-metal and is a tetravalent element. That means it has 4 electrons in the valence shell. Now there are various forms of carbon. So in that the first form is diamond. So in this diamond form, one carbon attaches with the other 3 carbons in a tetrahedral manner. So this tetrahedral manner is very strong and the bonds in it are very strong. So because of this, diamond is almost unbreakable and it is very hard to destruct. So after this there's graphite. Graphite is another form of carbon in which carbon are arranged in hexagonal matter with other carbons and these are in layers. So the top layer and the bottom layer are not attached, and due to the presence of free electrons in that, graphite can conduct electricity. So this graphite is used as the lead in our pencils and also as a lubricant. So the next form is the amorphous form. Amorphous form is nothing but the forms which are like coal, charcoal, soot, etc. These are amorphous forms of carbon. So the next form is fullerenes. Fullerenes are also a type of carbon. So one of them is Buckminster fullerene. So carbon is also the backbone for all the life on Earth because it is the central element which makes complex compounds like DNA, carbohydrates and proteins which support all the life on Earth. And it is also the 4th most abundant element in the universe after hydrogen, helium and oxygen. Now as we discussed earlier, carbon is present in all of the life on Earth. So as this life dies, that means as the plants and animals they all die, the carbon will go into the ground as the body decomposes. So before humans were there, the carbon used to go underground and under pressure it used to form the fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. So now we are using the same carbon as an energy source in the form of coal and petroleum, crude oil and natural gas too. Now also there's a thing called the carbon cycle. So the factories are there, right? They'll use the fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. And by this, they'll make the substances which factories normally make, and they'll release carbon dioxide into the air. So the carbon dioxide released into the air is absorbed by the plants to create food for themselves. So these plants are eaten by other organisms or they are decomposed when they die. So the organisms which eat these plants, they also decompose into the floor. So these both they release carbon into the ground. So this carbon will form coal and all the fossil fuels. And this fossil fuels will be used by the factories. So this is the cycle in which the carbon rotates. So this is known as the carbon cycle. So the carbon cycle is disrupted due to the excessive use of coal and petroleum and due to the less amount of all the plants on the earth. So because of this, carbon dioxide is being produced to the atmosphere in excess, and because of this creates the greenhouse effect. And this greenhouse effect, it will block all the heat inside the earth and this will become global warming. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share on all my videos and also subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.